Hi, my name is Danish Kazmi. I am from the University of Queensland, and my FameLab presentation is called Waste Glass, a Hidden Treasure. Do you know that turning a waste into a treasure could be a reality? My PhD research chases this ambitious dream, and today I will share with you how I am hitting three birds with one stone. We all are part of this planet Earth that supports our life, but increasingly, the impact of human activities is putting pressure on the environment and disturbing the natural balance of our planet. A key reason for these undesirable effects is that humans are extracting more resources out of the earth than it can sustain. So I presume you all enjoy your beach holidays, but the next generation may not get to play on beaches. Two-thirds of Southern California beaches are expected to disappear in the next 80 years. This is due to the depletion of sand. Natural sand is the second most widely consumed natural resource on the planet after fresh water. Nearly 50 billion tons of sand and gravel are consumed every year, equivalent to almost 18 kilograms per person per day, presenting many countries with the risk of running out of natural sand. Environmentally, the overexploitation of sand could endanger various animal and crocodile species, harm aquatic life, and cause biodiversity loss. It could also cause beach erosion, making coastal communities vulnerable to floods and natural disasters. Therefore, we need to find an alternative to sand that is sustainable and cost effective. So here is the win-win solution. The ever-increasing quantities of waste glass can be a potential alternative to sand, as both materials have a similar chemical composition. It is estimated that nearly 1 million tons of waste glass are stockpiled annually in Australia, and its disposal has become an environmental challenge due to its limited end uses and non-biodegradable nature. My PhD research experimentally studies the performance of crushed waste glass as an alternative to sand in ground improvement columns, which are used to reinforce weak soils in construction. So the question arises, why should we use waste glass as an alternative to sand in ground improvement? Well, the answer lies in its environmental, economic, and technical benefits. Environmentally, it can promote glass recycling and reduce the carbon footprint due to less quarrying and transportation of sand. Economically, the price of sand has skyrocketed almost 6 times in the last 25 years, indicating a need to develop an alternative. Technically, glass is 100% recyclable, and my initial research shows that the geotechnical parameters of crushed waste glass are similar or sometimes even superior to traditional construction sands. Therefore, my PhD research is helping to solve both challenges of sand depletion and waste glass disposal. Importantly, this research complements the big wish of creating circular economies, integrating the zero waste philosophy while also helping us to protect our planet and lovely beaches for our upcoming generations. Thank you.